In this video, I'll show you how to install and use a 100% save file in Wreckfest offline mode on PC without errors. Check my video description for this save. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Close stuff here and press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Go back, open the local low, scroll down and find THQ Wreckfest TOG Wreckfest, and this is where all of the game progress will be saved. Go back, drag and drop this to desktop, select OK to make backup. Now drag and drop this save inside this folder. Now you can launch the game, and as you can see the save loads successful, level 100 and the XP in CR is high. Go to career and you can able to see everything is finished. And that's how you can install this 100% save for this game. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.